back to my channel. This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and this is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I use one of Virginia's cut files, which this one is the windmill, and put it on a layout. So what I decided to do is that I took the windmill and took some brick looking paper, backed it, and then used craft paper to the back of that. The windmill pieces are white glitter, and that's how I backed it up. I did do some foam tape on the windmill pieces to stick that up, and then I am using crepe paper, one of the crepe papers collections. This one is the road trip, the one that's in the background of it. I love taking these real life photos that they use, or background papers that they use in their collections, and place them in one of my real life situations. Traveling. And so this travel is part of one of my camping trips that we took, and it is part of the waterfall section of us going down to the base of the waterfall, and then we walk this back up. So you can tell in the photos of like how long it was and how difficult it is, and it wasn't too bad for the three of us, but for a lot of other ones they spent quite a bit out there. Then I wanted to add a little bit of red around it, so I used the lumberjack plaid, which is like a Christmas collection color, but it works well with the plaid background piece that I used on this cut file. And then I did take my white paint that is listed down below. And if you want one of my paint sticks that I've got, I get them from Amazon. So the three photos that I'm going to use, you'll see where I'm going to connect them. But the difficulty of the one, it states that there's like 400 and some stairs, which that is correct. The other one is looking back up at some of the stairs, and then my daughter is in the other one. And so I just do a very light background piece to this because I really wanted the one that background piece of the exploring just to pop out, since that's black and white. These photos of having this nice green really, really pop off this page wonderfully. And I love how the windmill is placed on the paper for it to match. So sorry for the long break. I am back. I am doing what I needed to do. School, with having more kids than what we expected, you've got to spend a lot more time getting the rituals and routines down, and just being a teacher in general. So it took a lot more of my brain power, and then it has been the hottest it's been in Georgia for a very long time, and it's just not letting up. So then that makes me even tired when I come home, because typically I like to film during the week, or at least do my editing and get it up on the channels when it needs to be, and I couldn't even do that on the weekends. I was sleeping to catch up. But I know that you guys are here. I completely understand. I know that I'll get comments. You'll tell me to take care of yourself. We'll always be here. I get that. But I love to do this. This is like a craft, not a job for me to do. I love doing this. Lord Jesus. Let me tell you. But I am taking different little pieces of the ephemera that I have left between the woodland collection, and I think I've got there's another collection on this, and it's just hodgepodged with the road trip collection that is from like Maggie Holmes and all of that. So I kind of put a bunch of different ones together so that I could make this one work, because I really wanted it still whimsical, because it is one of those windmills that could be, but yet still realistic, because I love that background paper. I've done this multiple times. I love doing this, using those background pages, because I know out there in the craft world, most people don't like these because they don't know what to do with them. And I'm showing you how to use them. I absolutely love this paper. I love the background of it. A lot of the places that are in there, I've already been to, because it is a lot over in Europe. So I just love it. I just absolutely love that whole background piece. So I'm just filling in with like florals and flowers and making it still a little bit more whimsical. Obviously, the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you check down below to get to the website. All of her cut files are now on her website. You no longer have to go to Etsy. So you just go in and type in windmill, and it should come right on up for you to purchase. She has been working super hard throughout a couple of months here to get all the way through January's cut files done. Can you believe it? All of her January cut files. And let me tell you, December is like the best to be around when it comes to for her cut files and what she does and what the design team does to help her out with all those cut files. I mean, it's just a dream to be looking at her cut files. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel to see what I do. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I upload for design team layouts like this, collaborations, and just plain old doing, whatever type of layout that suits me at the time. I would love to have you as part of my family. I'm getting close to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love to be able to hit that up by January, February timeframe of my giveaway. And I am taking the Papa color, the gold, and placing it in certain spots just to add that little bit more whimsical to it. And then I did the dots for the butterflies roaming around the dots as well. So I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel. The still shots are coming up, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.